Cleanse fatty liver naturally. The liver's healthy functioning is essential to ensure overall health in humans. Nowadays, most people know the importance of liver cleansing to remove toxins from the liver. The reason is that it is an organ responsible for filtering out toxins, so, in the long run, it can become toxic itself. To enhance overall health, liver detoxification is something that will be of great help to humans. Natural fatty liver supplements that work. To support liver functions and to get rid of toxins, natural liver support supplements will be of great help. The natural supplements called Livoxil capsules will help in this regard. These herbal liver detox supplements will help with the natural cleansing of the liver from toxic substances. Liver pain symptoms. The liver is the organ that purifies the blood in the human body by getting rid of harmful toxins, impurities, metals, and chemicals. The purification process will get weak in some individuals as years pass by. It, in turn, makes it toxic. It can be the source of many disorders in humans. It can lead to liver damage, a severe medical condition. So, to enhance overall health, liver detoxification becomes essential for these individuals. With the help of healthy detox supplements called Livoxil capsules, one can maintain sound health and better energy levels. In addition, these capsules effectively curb the ill effects of alcoholism on the liver. Liver supplements for fatty liver. Livoxil capsules are natural liver support supplements widely recommended for natural cleansing. Livoxil capsule contains ingredients that can effectively improve the functioning of the liver and will bring down the chances of fibrosis. It interferes with the liver's functioning and diminishes its capacity to cleanse the blood. When the liver functions become sluggish, it will increase the toxicity of the liver. Livoxil capsules are capable of regulating the enzymes and will optimize assimilation. It, in turn, will improve the functioning of the liver and will bring protection from hepatic parenchyma. In addition, these supplements will also deliver a higher dose of antioxidants that work against free radicals and improve liver functions by preventing the aging of the cells. Furthermore, the herbs in these natural liver support supplements are immune modulatory, anti-inflammatory, and antispasmodic. They jointly improve liver functions and help immensely prevent and cure toxic liver. Herbal remedies to detoxify your liver. To enhance overall health, the herbal ingredients that are part of Livoxil capsules include Kansi, Himsara, Madhur Basma, Bahor-e-Mariam, Arjun, McCoy, Amla, Kasmerd, Branjasif, Bui Amla, Jabuka, Sarpunka, Pitpapda, Harad, Bang Basma, Kutki, Vaviding, Daruharidra, Chitraka, Guduchi and Punarnva. All these ingredients jointly make the natural liver support supplements the best choice for liver detoxification to enhance overall health. Conclusion. Livoxil capsules are effective natural supplements to cleanse the fatty liver. It contains many liver-enhancing herbs. Thousands of people have already benefited from Livoxil capsules. Now, it's your turn. World's finest natural liver detox pills.
100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Livoxil capsules from naturogain.com.
The product link is given in the video description.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.